what's in the other box?
Oh my goodness, look at all these! Easter ones! Look, 2 Easters. Look, her! I was here. Look, a dragon! Ooh! Awesome, awesome, awesome! Whoa! 2 characters.
No, let's not open them. I have to do something with them first.
We already have this character.
Okay, but don't open anymore. Not yet.
Sorry.
I have to take pictures too.
Dragon. I can fix it up and put it back in. And this one. How
it's a little open.
It's okay.
Awesome, a tree guy. What's this?
You gotta hold it a little still longer so that I can zoom in on it.
Whoa! Look at these 2.
Much better.
Whoa!
Okay. I was supposed to do video this way. Dang it, I always forget. Okay.
I always wanted a Star Strike. I want to see Star Strike.
Who do we say thank you to?
Thank you,
Skylanders.
Skylanders. Oh, Hammer. Flame Slinger. I want to see Flame
Awesome.
Slinger.
All right.